My baby, yeah. No? Okay. You don't want to go doctor? Why? Doctor give injection? No, I tell doctor not to give injection. Okay?
I don't wanna go.
Doctor will give you medicine.
No, I don't wanna go.
Why? Liquid medicine. And if you take that liquid medicine, your coughing will be cured. You will be okay. You will be healed. Why, baby? Medicine should be taken. Then, what do you want to take?
I want Tulsi water.
Tulsi water?
Mm,
Okay, Tulsi water will make you okay.
mm.
Okay, then we go home and Tulsi water. I think mommy is waking up or not. I think she is still sleeping. Yeah?